with another unboxing video, and in this video we'll be unboxing the universal car headrest mount for iPad and Android tablets, PC and other tablet style media devices. So this is basically to mount on a back of a car seat. I got my car seat right here, so I'm also going to show you guys like how to install it and all those fancy stuff. So here's my car seat right here. This is the car seat headrest, so I'm gonna fit it on this right here. And also I have a tablet right here. It is a Amazon Fire, I believe, or something like that, but it is a tablet. You guys get the drift and all those stuff. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in this video. So let's take this out right now. So take that out. Boom. That's everything that is in the box, guys. So let's put the box aside right there, and let's take this out now. Boom, boom. Slide it out. Right away, we have the manual right in there. Shows us how to do it, nice and easy. So let's try to follow the manual actually this time, guys. You know, all the while we don't really follow the manual, but this time I'm gonna follow the manual. So I'm guessing you have to take that apart there, and then I guess you let me zoom out a lot so you guys can see clearly. So I guess you take the headrest like this, and I guess this right here goes, it actually can stretch, so I'm guessing there's nothing much you have to worry about. But I think there's a part that you actually have to get in line. Yeah, you have to get this part right here, like exactly behind the seat right there. And I believe this part is the back of the seat right here, so I'm guessing this part right here has to, this I would say gritty part has to be on the back like that. And it's probably hard to see, guys, because there's so many blacks. Let me try to bring the light towards it so you guys can probably see it better. Yeah, that should be better. Hopefully the light is not too distracting. So yeah, so basically you're gonna want to wrap it around, stretch it if you have to stretch it, and you wrap it around like that. And this side should be in the middle. I'm just following the manual, guys, so this side should be in the middle. And then I guess you take these right here and you stick them on. Yeah, I'm guessing, yeah, you stick them on. Oh, it's actually, what do you call this again? I believe the name is Velcro. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, but I believe the name is Velcro. And you do it like that, and then you basically just put your tablet in like that and put it like that. So in this case, my tablet is way smaller than this, so I need to make the gap or the length a little bit more tighter, I would say. So let's put it like here. Why not? Put it there, put it here, and I believe that is how it should be. I'm looking on the manual and it looks to me, yeah, that's the way. But oh, so actually the right way, I mean, you could do this way, but the actual right way is to put this on first, this one right here on first, and then take this one right here like that, and then you put this right here into place, and then you stick it right on like that. So now you should have a working tablet. So now whoever in the back seat can watch TV and all those stuff. They can watch their videos and all those stuff without it falling out. Wonder if you hit a hard turn, will it come out? I don't believe so. I really don't think so. Honestly, I don't really think so. Honestly, I think this should be right enough. So yeah, Yeah, push downwards. I believe it could be a little bit tighter if I want. I believe. I don't know guys, but this seems to be working. Yeah, this seems to be working. The only way it could slide is if you turn it this way, but to me it seems to be working. Let me know if this video is helpful guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section. How did I install it and all those fancy stuff. But that's pretty much it guys. Thank you guys for watching, but until my next video guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos like this guys, if that's something that you're into, and also please consider subscribing to the channel guys. We're almost to 3,000 subscribers. I would be greatly appreciated if we go to 3,000 subscribers. With that said, let's just try to, no, I don't want to play any videos to get copyrighted or anything like that, but you guys basically get the idea. It's gonna go into, I would say, horizontal mode, and your friend is in the back seat, or your kid is in the back seat, or whoever is in the back seat, and you just basically play the game just like that. Nice and easy. They play the game or they watch the television or whatever. It's gonna be really nice for them in the back seat. So again guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next video guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. Again, if you reach this far, you definitely like the content, so please consider subscribing. And again, I will be in the comment section, so feel free to comment down below, was this helpful or was it not. Also, the brand is Hikig, if I pronounce that right. Hiking, like hiking the mountain, I would say. And it is a universal car headset mount. It is easy to assemble. As you see, I assembled it in less than 1 minute basically. I know a lot of you guys might be saying, why is this video so long? I just want to get to it. You didn't have to make this video this long and all those stuff, but it's very neat, elegant design, durable, and also long lasting, all those stuff. Velcro with metal clips, as you can see. Wait, does it actually clip? Nah, I don't think it actually clips, but I think that should work. You guys get the idea. So that's basically it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.